Okay, I think I have someone at the door. Ooh, it's our duckling friend. Hey there. Come on in. Want to play a little gaming system or something? You're just playing your little gaming system. Alright, think I'm just gonna sit right here. Read a book or something. What's this? What is this? Book how to make treehouse. Number 1, put wood all over the. This is the treehouse. I just found the wrong book. What about this one? How to use the dynamite. Number 1, throw. No, I'm not here to use the dynamite. Hey, can I have this book down here? Thank you. Where you going? You just did a backflip. Okay. Alright. What's this book about? Oh, it's about building houses. Okay. Build base. Number 1, picture as the walls. Pictures as the walls. Number 2, add a baseball bat, taser, and banana peel for defense. Alright. Number 3, add objects inside. Alright. Number 4, add final touches like the food and water. Alright. That's how to build bases. Wow. But how do I build a base inside the treehouse? How do I get more stuff? Hold on. Alright. This book is about how to make a base inside the treehouse. Yes! I found the right one. First, add a picture as a door. Second, add food and water in the fence. Third, add final touches like the chairs and bed. There we go. Alright. Good book. Let's see what we could do here. Okay. Wait right there at that corner. I'm gonna get all the stuff. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's your controller. Alright. Okay. Picture as the entrance. We gotta go all the way over here to the workshop to get a picture. These pictures would look great at Grandpa's house and all the other houses, but this is for the treehouse doorway. The vase shop. Okay. This will act perfect like a doorway. This fits. Okay. Next, food. Alright, food. Alright. Where should I add food? Okay. I need a long loaf of bread. Okay. Need to get a long loaf of bread. Probably this size would probably do good. Alright. Now after this we need drinks. Yep, I'll probably get like a blue cream soda or something. Oh my goodness. The ducky friend smells it. Okay. Did it smell it? You smell it? Hold on, let me get you out. There you go. Alright, we're making a good base. Where am I floating? Okay, so it looks like I found a new flying glitch. Okay, we have to sneak at Grandpa's house and get the blue cream soda. Okay. Time to get the blue cream soda. Alright. Shh. Alright. Don't worry, I just need some blue cream soda. I was thirsty. Alright. Now I have some blue cream soda. Whee! Now it's time to put this at our base. Alright. And after this, we'll add the defense. Ooh, that. No! Wait. There's still a full bottle. It's right here. Okay. Alright. We don't want to break this one because this is a full bottle. And we don't want to drop it because if I drop it, I will be thirsty. Okay, here we go. Through the wall, over here, and all we need is defense. Okay, defense. Okay, oh no! Sorry guys, this painting is a little bit glitchy. Okay. Defense, I'm gonna be choosing a taser. Okay. Alright, defense added. Okay. All we need is a bed. Wait, this could be a bed. It has to like sit right next to the TV. And yes, that could be like, the controller could sit right here. And this right here could be, you know what, there's already a chair here. Like a little beanbag chair or something. Alright, we built the ultimate treehouse base. Alright. Kind of small, but at least we got a little view out here. Like a little beautiful house view. Alright guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.